Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing a brand new foundation. I had actually bought this from Ulta before giving birth. I bought like so many new drugstore products to try out for you, and then I ended up giving birth, so I didn't get to film that video. But I was opening my PR packages the other day and I saw that we got the full PR kit from Maybelline, so I was like, perfect. So I did already take out a few shades to match myself too. So this is the new Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation, and I was so excited about this foundation, especially because it reminds me a lot of my favorite CC cream. You guys know I live for my CC cream. It is perfect for like an everyday wear, and this one has SPF 50, so this will be a really good foundation to wear on a daily basis. This is 228 soft tan, and it looks perfect with my skin tone and the rest of my body. I am gonna self tan tonight, so I'll match myself to like my tan shade and I'll include it in the description box below. But the claims for this foundation, I'm so clumsy. I literally just drop everything all the time. And this is like my Reiki mirror. You guys know that mirror is like everything. You want to protect it at all costs. Please be okay. Please be okay. Ah! It's okay. The mirror survived. This is what it looks like right here. It is so bomb to do your makeup, you guys. If you don't have one, literally you're sleeping on it because it is amazing. You need to get one. Maggie boy got shook. He's already out the room. Let's go back and see what the claims are for this foundation. So it says it's a lightweight, breathable formula, delivers high quality skincare benefits and a natural finish, which is another amazing thing. The innovative liquid foundation contains SPF 50, amazing, especially now for the summertime. Actually all year round, but especially for the summertime, to protect against UV rays, and it is enriched with antioxidants to block pollution. It is available nationwide now in July. We're gonna put this to the test and see if it compares to my favorite CC cream. This is full coverage, which I'm really excited about, and it has 1 fluid ounce, and I really like the packaging. It just has a squeeze tube, so it's easy to get out the product. I just went ahead and applied my skincare because I didn't have any product on my skin. For serum, I used the new Too Faced Hangover Good in Bed Hydrating Serum. Feels really nice on the skin. And then for moisturizer, I also used this new one by Too Faced. This is a Hangover Good to Go Skin Protecting SPF 25 moisturizer. I feel like this combo feels really good on the skin, especially now in the summertime. This is a primer that was sold out forever and ever and ever, and it's now back in stock. So we're gonna put it to the test today. I'm probably like the last person on earth to try this. It's the e.l.f. Poreless primer, and this is what it looks like right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and this is what you get. I'm just gonna take my finger and apply this on the center of my face and blend it in. It feels really light on the skin and it blended out really well. So I'm excited to see how it wears throughout the day and how it performs with this foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the shade 228 Soft Tan, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the back of my hand. And I'm also taking this sponge by e.l.f., which I've been using recently, and I absolutely love it. Oh my God, this is so good. I did go ahead and wet it a little bit. So I'm gonna take the flat side and just dip it on the foundation and work this on my skin. Ooh, that coverage. Wow, this is covering pretty good. Foundation feels really light on the skin. It's blending really well. And I love this shade. I feel like it's the perfect match with my body right now. Wow, this looks really, really good, and it feels really light on the skin. And even though it has high SPF, it does not smell like SPF at all, which is good, because sometimes I feel like you get these foundations that have high SPF and they smell like it, and I'm just like, oh no, I don't like that. But I like this one. So this is what one layer looks like on the right side of my face. As you can tell, it covered everything so nicely. I love how it's setting down on my skin. I don't feel like it's setting really fast, so you can definitely take your time as you're blending this on your skin. I love the coverage. I love the shade. My redness on my cheeks are completely covered. I feel like you can see it here on the left side. It's just because it's a little hot in here. My cheeks are getting red. Everything is completely covered, and I don't feel like I need to go in with a second layer because one layer did the job. Like, this looks so stinking good. So let's go ahead and do the left side of my face.
Lights down low, still wondering what you're saying. Stay, stay, stay. Baby, please don't go. I'd rather have you staying. Stay, 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 stay. Pick up the mess that you left shattered on the floor. Keep the lights down low. What is this game you're playing?
You guys, I think we found a new favorite drugstore foundation. Like, I am loving how it looks and feels on the skin. Holy foundation. Like, I'm so happy. Let's do the concealer and the contour on camera, and then the rest we'll do off camera, and then I'll come back and do a little recap. So I'm going to continue with drugstore products. So I'm going in with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm using a lighter shade to conceal under my eyes, and then I'm using a darker shade to contour my face. This used to be like my OG favorite from the drugstore, so I got a few new ones. So we're gonna get this baby rolling. I feel like you have to roll it a few times before putting it on. I'm taking that same e.l.f. sponge and I'm just gonna blend this all over. The darker concealer that I'm using to contour my face is blending so nice on the skin, literally blending like a dream. So that's also really good. I feel like the foundation did not dry down fast at all whatsoever. So I was able to still take my time while talking to you guys and blending that contour shades on the hollows of my cheekbones and the sides of my forehead. My concealer is also blending really well under my eyes. I am going to go in with a little bit more just to cover those dark circles. But overall, everything looks bomb. Like, I'm so happy with this foundation and the contour, the concealer. I feel like this base is looking fire right now. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we'll come back and do a little recap on the foundation. We're pretty much done with the rest of the face. I am loving how everything turned out. Like, you guys, this foundation looks flawless on camera and in person. I want to zoom in so I can show you guys like what it actually looks like, because it looks and feels so smooth on my skin, and I feel like it's difficult for you to find a full coverage foundation from the drugstore that feels this way. It also feels really lightweight. It doesn't feel like a full coverage foundation. So overall, I love the coverage. I love the shade. I feel like it's a perfect match. I might have to wear this foundation every single day for the rest of my life, because literally it is like the perfect color for the rest of my body. I'm excited to like be out and about and test it out and see how it wears throughout the day. Let's do the selfie test to see how it wears on camera, because we need to know. Flash and no flash. So this is no flash. And now let's do flash. I have to turn it. No flashback. Woo! I'm so happy, especially because this has a high SPF. No flashback, girl. Wow, this looks really good. Look at that. Wait, can you guys zoom in? Ah, there we go. That looks really good. No flashback. On point. This might have to be on the gram later on today. This foundation is on point. So I'm gonna go on with my day, and I'll check in with you guys at the end of the day, right before I'm about to remove my makeup. But I'm so happy with the foundation. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this here on my channel. Drugstore, high-end, mid-range, let me know. Quickly, another foundation that I've been really loving is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Powder Foundation. This has been a really good day-to-day foundation, and I think I want to film a video on it because it is so bomb, and I feel like more people like need to know about it. Anyways, I'm gonna go on with my day, and I will see you guys later on tonight. It is currently 8:46 at night. I've been wearing this foundation all day, and we're getting ready to put the baby to sleep and end the night. So I figured I would end this video here. I wanted to give you guys a little update on the foundation. It still looks amazing. Like, I'm looking at it on camera and I'm like, wow, it didn't move at all whatsoever. Usually I have a problem with the foundation coming off on the sides of my nose, But I don't know if you guys can tell, everything is still in place on the sides of my nose, the sides of my mouth. And I actually just finished eating right now too. So I'm actually surprised that everything is still in place. This foundation gets a 10 out of 10. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. I'm definitely going to be using it a lot more often. I just have a feeling that I'm going to be wearing this foundation a lot. So if you've been looking for a nice full coverage, long lasting, natural finish, high SPF, a great foundation for a daily wear, definitely give this one a try. I will link it in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having an amazing day or an amazing night, and I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.